Hello teacher and everyone. My name is Chayo. I'm a student who studies in grade 10B of Stuckball High School. Today I am very excited to make the video to share you about future job at English. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor. I want to have sick people feel better. Doctor work in hospital at clinic. The check person and give them medicine. The youth to like speaker stuff at Max. My uncle is a doctor and I at my home. He work hard and have money people. I want to be practice like home English. Have us get money, but need food. English have us do good job and have a decent salary. Overtime place available. Easy to talk to foreigner. Make a difference in real. Makes the country the world lives. So you should study hard.